Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be shaping a hat, reshaping a hat, restoring it. This one's for a customer. It's a resistol, tough enough, yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna restore it. Sorry guys for not having posted in like 2 months probably, and yeah, we're probably gonna throw some patches on there and make it look nice and neat. So let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start by giving it some steam around the brim. We're gonna start with the brim. Start in the front. So sometimes it's better that you turn your hat this way, because sometimes the sweatband gets damaged by the steam. It looks white, it ends up looking white. So just give it a lot of steam, because straw hats need a lot of steam, remember? Really bend here, that's really bad to do. All that bending, it's really bad for the hat. We're just gonna massage those creases so they can come out, like here, over here. Here there's a really big crease. I don't know where that's from. So that's pretty straight. A little more. So that's pretty straight. Now we're gonna go for the crown. We're gonna straighten up the crown. We're gonna give it the same look, but we're just gonna, it was kind of creased, wrong in some places. So we're just gonna straighten it out and put it back together. And I've been getting random subscribers, and that's why I kind of said, let's give them some more content, because they're coming to the channel and finding no new content, so they're just gonna leave, You guys are liking the hat shaping video, so give the people what they want. Take out those creases, push them out, don't be scared. You can be rough with the hats, don't be scared. So what I like to do is I do the back side first, focus the steam on there, and then I do the front, because if you do it to both sides, you don't get enough steam on there. It gets cold one side, and you gotta redo it. So might as well just do one side and then the back side. Back or front, back. Stop,
las playas de Marbella, ella en la playa y yo al lado de ella.
Push it down and it'll take out everything, like all the creases. But for straw hats, they're too hard. You can't use a balloon. Probably just pop on you. Alright, so here's a hat. Nice and ready to be shaped. So we're going to start with the brim, how we started. So we're going to give it the same look it had, it's just, way nicer. This is a messed up hat. So we put it here on our stomach. We give it a shape. Alright, now the other side.
Anoche bailé con ella, bailando esta tamborera en las playas de...
So there's a brim, back. There you go. Now let's move on to the crown. So first we're gonna do the holes on the sides. Starting off on this side. Grab it with your fingers. There's that side. So there's both sides. Now moving up the top. Professional. And there you go. Classic Munich, all fixed up. I would try it on, but it's not my hat, and also it's too big for my head. So I'll just show you guys on that.
And I'll go